I'm about to try to run across some females on the Monkey app, and I'm about to ask them, do y'all want to see my meat? What's up, YouTube? So look, man, today I'm about to get on the Monkey app. Feel me? I guess they took the Monkey app out of the App Store, but you can still get on it on Safari. I'm about to try to run across some females on the Monkey app, and I'm about to ask them, do y'all want to see my meat? Like, you want to see my meat? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna ask them straight like that. But look, man, y'all got some dirty ass minds, cause I ain't even talking like that. And they gonna be thinking like that, cause you know it's a lot of weirdos on Monkey. But this what I'm talking about. Feel me? I'm gonna be asking them like, do y'all wanna see my meat? Feel me? And we about to just get their reaction, bro. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Do all that shit, man. Don't skip the video, watch the whole video. And yeah, we finna get right into this bitch. Yo. What up? You from Tulsa? How old are you? How old are you?
20.
But that's crazy because I got peoples in Tulsa though. I'll be out there a lot.
For real? So where you at now? Where you at now?
I'm from LA, but you know, I got peoples in Tulsa, like I said. But yeah.
Who you got in Tulsa? Family, friends?
Ah yeah, family. Family for sure. But look though. So what you mean you live by Tulsa? Like how close?
Like 3 hours.
That ain't close.
That ain't never close, but it's close.
But Tulsa is where you originally from? Like,
No, I know people in Tulsa. Like,
oh, okay. I just asked because you know your shit said Tulsa. But
It did?
yeah, it said like your name and then you know from Tulsa. So I was just like, what the fuck? That's crazy. But so you be whipping and shit? You got a whip? Okay. Yeah, well you might have to come to the Tulsa to see me and shit, man.
You gotta hit me up and let me know.
For sure. But look though, damn, you like have a conversation with me. You kind of dry. Like,
My bad, I just woke up. I only had like 2 hours of sleep. I've been up all night and I'm just drinking and smoking and shit. So I'm trying to
okay.
get myself together.
So you getting lit?
Yeah.
Man. So what you do? Like what you got going? Like you do YouTube? Like what you do?
I work.
Okay.
And I start college at the end of the month. What you doing? What you doing?
Well, me, I do YouTube and shit. You feel me?
What you doing YouTube?
I do all type of shit. I ain't gonna lie. Lit shit though. Lit shit only.
Lit shit?
Lit shit only. So if her phone died or what, I should have just asked her the fucking question. I'm steady beating around the bush. Yo.
I was sleeping.
You was sleeping? Hey, how old you is?
18.
Alright, can I ask you a question real quick? Look, nobody want to see my shit, so can I show you my meat? Cause I've been trying to show everybody else, but they just keep clicking on me.
I want to see it.
You don't? Nah, like, this one of the biggest meat, like, pieces of meat you gonna see, for real. Nah, I'm for real, like, for real.
I don't want to see it.
You don't? Alright. I'm gonna just show you anyway. Like, if you click off, then, you know, what you thought I was talking about, though? What you thought I was, hold on, hold up. You a freak.
No, you know what you...
Nah, I was talking about my meat.
Why'd you say like that?
What was you thinking, though?
Why'd you say like that?
My meat? My meat? It's my meat. Where you from, though? Okay. Florida vibes. Like what part of Florida?
Palm Beach.
Okay. It's cool out there?
Yeah. You do YouTube.
Hell yeah. You in the video right now, you wanna say something?
Hey.
Let me tell y'all something, bro. It is so hard to do these videos. All right, at this time, I've been recording for 38 minutes, all right? 38 minutes, and I probably only got like 3 minutes, maybe even 2 minutes worth of footage. And like on Monkey App, I don't know what it is. It's just a lot of dudes on this bitch. Like, I ran into like way more dudes than females, so it's, you know what I'm saying? It's hard. I can't even ask the question. What up? How old are you?
I'm 19.
You say you 19? I'm grown.
I like older men, but
Oh, okay, for sure. Where you from?
where am I from? Ohio.
You from Ohio? It's cool out there?
I stay in Texas right now, so it's fuck.
But now I got a question for you though. I can show you my meat? Huh? I can? Hold on, what you doing? Ain't your shit muted, I can't hear you no more. Don't try to dip off on me like, so I can show you my meat. I can't hear you. Nope, I can't. Look, I don't need to hear you though. I just need your face reaction. So I'm about to show you my meat, all right? It's big, huh? What up, bro? You was in the Marines? Okay. I'm proud of that, bro. Yes, sir. Where the hoes at? Where the hoes at? Yo. How you doing? I'm good. How old are you? Okay. I'm grown. We not far in age. I'ma just say that. You know. But where are you from though? From Texas? Okay. You like Texas? Oh, okay. Is Texas lit? I heard it was lit. Okay. I heard it's a lot of freaks out there. Is that true? And nah, but look, I know we don't even know each other and shit like that, but I'm proud of my size and shit like that. So can I show you my meat? I want to know what you think about it. I can't show you my meat? Like, yo. How you doing? Where you from? Okay. I never heard of that. Oh, okay. How old are you? Okay. Have you ever been to Cali, California?
No.
Oh, you
I'm going this.
You say you going this summer?
Yeah, with my brother.
Oh, okay. We should chill when you come down here.
Yes, sir. Can do.
Okay. You gotta get my Instagram and shit like that. No.
Get my Instagram then.
Where you from?
ANC.
No, North Carolina.
Yeah.
Okay. How old are you?
20.
Okay. 20. Now, you fuck with North Carolina? I say you fuck with North Carolina?
It's okay.
Okay. And now I gotta can I show you my meat and shit? Yo. I can't even hear you. But look, hey, can I just nod your head? Is you over 18? Is you 18 or over? Okay, okay. Can I show you my meat real quick? It's just this.